Time now, 12:14. Meteorologist Damon Matson joining us once again. Damon, I just took a peek outside. Looks like the sun is trying to come out.
It heard you.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, because you said, you were like, the sun's not out. Boom.
Should we enjoy this little warm-up today?
Oh, yeah, absolutely, because this has been uncommon so far in this month of January, and we're going to get another reality check, I think, here pretty soon, unfortunately. I know, folks, we'd love for this to stick around, especially given the fact that over the weekend and now into the day today, we have been making a dent in some of that snow and ice that has just been lingering out there since a week ago when we picked up all of that snow from that storm that moved through. There's the sunshine, a bright view looking out toward Roslyn right now. And again, this is how much snow and ice we still have on average. If you take a measurement in some of those grassier areas, it's not the same everywhere. But here in these darker blues across most of the DMV, you're talking 5-6 inches of snow still left over. We have some higher amounts down toward Prince William, Stafford counties, and of course out toward the mountains of Garrett County, where it's still been snowing throughout much of the weekend. So we have quite a bit to still melt out there. And again, these temperatures today will help do just that. We have climbed above freezing. We're in the upper 30s, lower to even middle 40s. And before the day is done, we're going to see several locations pushing up into the upper 40s today. And when you match that with a bit of sunshine, that is going to make all of the difference. Now, it's not going to last because there is a frontal boundary. It's already sweeping through, so it's not going to cause us any sort of major problems. There will just be some snowfall out across the mountains out toward Garrett County there. Now, behind this front, it's lagging a little bit, but starting tonight, we're going to feel another surge of very cold air dropping down from the north up toward Canada and all the way up toward the Arctic here. We're tapping into some of that colder air, so this warm up, it's not going to last much longer. Now, again, these temperatures a little bit underdone here, but by 3 o'clock with that sunshine, we're likely to see more of those mid to even upper 40s out there. So it's going to feel fantastic. We're going to see a lot of melting of that snow and ice. Now, as we get into the night tonight, we have to watch out. This is something we've been watching for over the last few days, but anything that melts could refreeze. These temps are going to quickly fall back down into the 20s, and then waking up tomorrow morning, we're going to see the teens for the most part out there as we kick off our Tuesday. So there's that bitter cold air that is going to make a return, and it's not just going to be cold, folks. Unfortunately, there is going to be another surge of wind that will bring in this much colder air. So not only do we have those very cold air temperatures, how about wind chills dropping back down into the teens? Out across the mountains, it's actually going to be feeling like it is below 0 to kick off the day tomorrow. So yes, this warm up, it is not set to last. We are going to then see very windy, very cold conditions as we head through Tuesday, Wednesday, even lingering a bit into Thursday. Now, the good news is we're only going to see some snowfall out across the mountains. Everybody else stays dry. And then we see another warm up before the next storm system gets here early this upcoming weekend, which means rainfall is going to be in the forecast on Saturday.